A renowned name in the history of India, was a devotional poet, saint, musician, and played his part with the same fineness. He was blind, but he could see the world through his music. Hearing empowered him and let him live a life without any limitations. Hearing enables all of us to communicate, work, and socialize. If I ask, how are you listening to me right now? Well, you might know that my vocal cords are producing sound and your ears are listening to it. But a lot more is going on here. My vocal cords are vibrating the air particles close to it, and they are further vibrating the air particles close to them, and so on and so forth. They are called the sound waves. Eventually, when the air particles close to my ears start vibrating, we hear sound. But how does something as boring as air molecules make us experience something like this? For that, we need to look at our ears carefully. I mean the entire structure of ear. With this, I Priyanka
and I Simran. Today we are going to present the model of this ear and explain you about the mechanism of hearing.
So let's look at how different parts of ear work together to make us experience sound. So our ear consists of three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of pinna. It's the part which you can see and even touch. Its main aim is to collect as much sound waves as possible and channel it into the auditory canal. The sound waves from the auditory canal finally reach the eardrum. This is eardrum, which is a transparent membrane. It is very sensitive to the vibration of sound. So as soon as the air particles vibrate, our eardrum also starts vibration. This separates the outer ear from the middle ear. So this brings us to the middle ear, which consists of the three tiniest bones of the human body. These are together called the ossicles, and they are known as the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. The stirrup is where you rest your foot while riding a horse. Their main job is to increase or amplify the sound vibration before it enters the inner ear. In fact, it increases the pressure of the sound wave by about 20 times. So this brings us to the inner ear.
Now let us study about the inner ear and the mechanism of transferring the impulse to the brain, because without it our hearing is incomplete. We already got to know that to pass the vibration to the inner ear we need to increase the pressure. Now let us know about the structure of the inner ear. So, the inner ear consists of a bony structure, as you all can see in this model. The top part of the structure consists of three semicircular rings, and this helps in maintaining the balance while walking or dancing. So, this part does not play much role in the process of hearing.